Uptown Swing level 1.
6 count, Maddie, Peter.
We did some stuff.
Yeah.
We did Frankie's 6s today. So fun. You guys rocked that. Check it out. It goes like this. Rock, step, triple step. Switch the hand. Rock, step, triple step. Sneakle step. Rock, step. Goodbye. Hello again. Rock, step. Catch the arm around you. Go. We went rock, step, bam, and we shake, shake, shake at the end there. That was the big chunk of what we did. Then we did a little extra. Remember, we worked on triple steps that were not basic kind of triple steps. So we didn't go rock, step. That looks a little beginnery. We want rock, step on one side and on the other. Actually change your weight a little bit on those triples. And you don't need to do it right away. You don't want to do it with that teapot action. So right here, this is the practice this week. If you can, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Take 2 beats to get here. 2 beats to get here. Rock, step, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Take your time. And if you can dance in place and get some of that dig into the floor, it really, really helps. Last thing is we started this simple tuck turn from open position. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Remember, followers, you gotta take those triple steps and really wind up, bring your hands with you. Leaders, you gotta feel a boing. So it's rock, step, boing, and you use that to turn around. We'll do a whole bunch more next week, a whole bunch of review. For now, our outro, hit it.